Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Lakshmi Rajesh. So today we are going to see about sitting postures in pregnancy during first trimester. So already we have seen the standing postures. So we will continue with the second episode of sitting postures. So while doing sitting postures, many have a doubt whether we can squat, whether we can sit in this posture during the first trimester. So actually when you start doing these Sukhasana means just sitting in this posture, and Swastigasana, Padmasana, only you can do only during the first trimester, because when our baby bump grows big, we can't even fold the legs and sit. So you start doing all the asanas from the first trimester onwards. So when you sit like this, automatically your pelvic muscles will contract and hold the baby tight. Many have a complications day to day. Our cervical weakness, cervical opening very in early weeks. So this will start preventing the cervical opening. So sitting in this Sukhasana. So any leg, whether right leg on the left or left on the right. So you sit in Sukhasana, and first I am going to do the spinal stretch. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and stretch your arms up. Don't tuck in your abdomen, just hold the posture. So this is a mild stretching posture. You have to feel the stretch from the shoulders, ribs, upper back, middle back and lower back. Mainly this will prevent the spinal cord discomfort during your pregnancy. So this you can hold the posture for 10 seconds. Exhale. Just stretch your arms. Relax. You can do asanas any time throughout your pregnancy, because we are not going to do asanas which is giving pressure on your abdomen. So you can do all the asanas after your meal also. After your meal, half an hour break, you can do all the asanas. So the next asana is the lateral part of the spinal muscles. So when you start doing all the stretching asanas during the, just exhale and hold the posture. So when you start stretching the muscles during your first trimester, automatically all your skeletal muscles will be active throughout your pregnancy, and you can get back into shape after your delivery. Normally throughout the pregnancy, our every part of the spinal muscle, even our face muscle, everything would start relaxing, so that we have a appearance of sagging appearance. So when you start doing right from first trimester, you can get back into shape very easily, and mainly the abdominal muscles and the oblique muscles and the rectus muscles will tighten very easily. So this is mainly for the oblique muscles. Next asana is the Vajrasana, which is the very important posture during your first trimester. This will improve your digestion and keep your mind calm. So this will prevent this will balance the pitta in your body, and this will prevent the morning sickness. So start sitting in this posture as much as you can. So when you get up early in the morning, try to sit in this posture. When you feel morning sickness very severe, so you sit in this posture at least for 10 minutes in the morning. Just take a deep inhale and slow exhale. So next we are going to see about some twisting asanas. So open your legs and keep your ankle in a flexion. So this is flexion for the ankle and this is extension for the ankle. So keep your legs in the flexion, so you will feel the stretch on the calf muscles. So mildly you can twist it. Open your mouth, breathe out, and mildly you twist your spinal cord. This keeps your spinal cord active, and many people nowadays only after delivery they suffer from back pain. So this will keep your back active and keep your back into shape. Just exhale through the mouth and hold the posture. If you can hold the posture for 10 seconds, you can hold it. Otherwise, you stretch it and come back. From day 45 onwards, when you start doing this asana, you can check your baby's weight, whether it is increasing or decreasing. So when you start lifting your body and balancing your body in the legs and hands, you can see the weight of the baby. So when you don't feel the weight, you can think that you're in some complication, and if you feel overweight also, you can see that you have some complication. When you start lifting your body like this, automatically you will feel the weight of the baby. This is not only to check the weight of the baby, just keep your spine straight and keep your glutes active. Relax. Slowly you can drop your neck. This is also for the vaginal holding the baby. To avoid cervical complications during pregnancy, you can do this posture also. If you feel mild cramps, you can just rotate your ankle and you can relax your calf muscles and thighs. Just do it clockwise and anti-clockwise. So whenever you lift your body, you feel the cramps. So mildly you rotate your ankle. So today we saw the sitting postures during first trimester, so you can try all the postures. So these are all very simple postures to avoid the complications during the first trimester. So further we are going to see the lying down postures for the first trimester also. So you can try these asanas, these standing, sitting and lying down asanas from 45 days onwards. So with this proper guidance, you don't try the posture which are all difficult for you. Just you move that posture and you don't stay in the posture initially. Slowly you increase the counts to 5, 10. 10 is the maximum count, it is enough, because we can't stretch the muscles more than 10 seconds, because our skeletal muscles are all relaxed during the pregnancy. So not only our abdominal muscles and all the skeletal muscles are relaxed. So if you want to try certain difficult asanas, if you were practicing yoga before, if you want to try certain difficult asanas, so you can try after 34 weeks. I will teach you the advanced techniques also. So So with my proper guidance, you can try these asanas. Thank you.